Hi guys, we're doing a Coke and Mentos experiment.
I'm James.
And I'm Rahul. And we're hoping to do the same thing with...
We're doing a Coke and Mentos rocket.
So
the
James is
bicep
going to
soda and
explain...
vinegar got just above the wire. So we're hoping to get a bit higher this time. So
James will do the Mentos now.
Yeah, we're using our launch pad from last time. We got some masking tape, our white mint Mentos, we got some normal Coke this time.
Diet Coke may work better. We're just going to try that out.
Yeah.
So first, you want to empty, because we've got if you've got a 2 litre, if you have a 2 litre Coke one, you may want to empty some out so you can get more Mentos.
You don't need it up. You don't really need to,
but we're going to try.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. No. Let someone just bring it. Stop. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay. So we've got enough there.
Okay. So now we don't have a ruler, so we're gonna have to estimate. So we want about 10 centimeters of masking tape. Probably a bit much, but it doesn't matter.
So we're gonna tap there.
So we're gonna take that off, and you know how this is doing? Rip it off. Doesn't matter. Okay. So we have our masking tape here. I just use our block here to use it as a bit of a board. Oh no, that's wet. Bad idea.
So
okay. So
we're just gonna use the back of this board here.
Okay. That's a better idea. So grass is getting on here. Can you just hold the masking tape for a second? Okay. Yeah. Having a bit of troubles with masking tape.
Maybe do it inside.
Okay. So it's kind of rolled up, but don't worry, we can get to that. So we got our Mentos here.
Why did you change the cap?
Because I need this cap. Okay.
So we're going to open our Mentos and we're going to use 7. You can use a few less, a few more. It shouldn't really matter.
It just matters on how big you want the explosion.
Yeah, it shouldn't matter too much. Okay, so Rahul's going to hold...
Hang on.
You can't put them on the cap if you're going to put them on the cork. You need to put them onto the cork somehow.
Oh yeah. We worked it out. Okay.
Or
we'll just stick it onto the cork. It'll be fine.
Stick them on the cork.
Yep, it'll work.
Yeah,
it'll be good.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Pause and keep going.
So keep going? Okay. Sorry, a bit of a question there.
Okay. So Rahul's gonna hold out the masking tape. We're gonna there we go.
So
We're
James
gonna line up the Mentos nice and close together, just like they're in the pack. So they'll fit nicely in the Coke bottle. So just two they're done. We're gonna do 7 today. Just as I've said before. We want to get a nice big explosion. Hopefully 7 should do it.
Okay, it's a 2 litre can. If you have 1.25 litres, maybe try 5 or 6.
Yep.
And if you've got a 2 litre one, maybe 8 or maybe 7 or 8.
Yep, it shouldn't really matter.
Any lower, don't try too much, otherwise it's going to fizz up before you get to do the experiment.
Okay, so we got 4, 5.
Oh, by the way, one guidance when you're doing this, don't wrap the side of the Mentos up.
Yep, because
then it'll have nowhere to...
You need the Coke to be able to touch the Mentos. So we got 7 Mentos right there. Show the camera. Camera, can you see? Okay.
7 Mentos.
Then
1,
we got to get
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Then we got to get a piece of tape the same size. That's about the same size.
Yep.
I'll get this.
And we're gonna just fold that. We're just gonna go.
We just got to put that over the top of the Mentos. So this will keep them, make sure they stay. So we're gonna go like that. So now they're in a nice little case. You know,
but the sides are still showing. But the sides are still showing there.
Yeah.
So you can see the sides.
We don't need all this tape at the back.
Yes,
so
you do.
I might
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
To wrap it on the cork.
No, we're not using the cork. Oh yeah. I just might rip a little off. We don't need too much. Okay. Now we get another piece of tape. And this
And you roll
one.
that into a little double-sided ball.
Yep. So it's nice and sticky.
Yeah,
This can just be a bit of a small piece. Doesn't need to be very big.
Or unless you can circle.
There you go. And that's going to go right at the end here. There we go. Okay, lift this up.
And we're going to put the cork.
And we're going to put these on the cork. You can do it with the Coke lid. Yeah. But we decided to use our launch pad, so we're going to put it on the cork. Which will be a bit interesting. We'll see how this works. So
and now we're going to go like this.
we just want to make it, to make it a bit more stable, we want to get a bit more tape just at the bottom onto the cork.
So we're going to tape it like...
You can do however you want, just get a little more so it's nice and secure. don't necessarily have to do it this way. You can do it however you want.
Yeah. So we just go like that.
So the Mentos is still reasonably exposed. It's still pretty exposed. It's still good.
Okay, so it's still exposed on the side. Maybe like stick that to there.
So,
Okay.
so now we need to get our Coke bottle. So now this is going to go.
Maybe.
Okay.
Nice. Give it a minute.
Okay. So you can see the
We
Mentos
need
here.
more.
Not just. That's enough. That's enough. No, stop.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put the cork in now with all the Mentos. It can be a bit of a squeeze just to get them in, but they should slide in reasonably nicely. So ours have gone in now, and the cork is too. They're just touching. Which we better flip it.
Now,
3, 2, 1, flip, and we're gonna move out the way.
Oh shit! It's
gonna fall. Oh no!
Hang on. Can you lift it up?
Lift it up. Save it! Save it! Go!
Oh, should it? It did. You know what?